So I wanted to show you guys a neat little trick that I did. I wanted these privacy gate panels, and I didn't really want to have to dig new post holes for it, but I had an existing driveway fence, just the cyclone fence type fencing. And what I did is, you can see this spreader bar up here at the top. All the vehicles I have will fit under that. If you had something taller, you could go up a little bit higher with the post, but that's all I needed. And really what I did is, instead of digging posts and worrying about how heavy the gate panels are, I just took a 4x4 post, I still have the old gate here because my dogs otherwise will jump on this privacy fence and try and knock it down. Reinforce the hinges a little bit with some wood blocks. And the other thing you can see is, I only bought one of these plastic tubes that normally covers a 4x4 post, and just put it on the outside and then screwed it in. But if you look down here on the old fence post, where is it at? Oh, right here. I drilled through the old fence post with a leg bolt. Well, I drew through with a drill, put a hole in, and then put the leg bolt in. Bolted the 4x4 post to the old post. This post is just standing on the ground down here. It's not in the ground. It's never going to rot. There's the other bolt holding the post to the pole. So, and then worrying about whether or not this would be solid enough once I hung the weight on it is why I put in the spreader bar. The spreader bar definitely holds them both perfectly vertical, and I've never had a problem. This gate's been here now for about 5 years. It's just a slick little way to do it, and it looks, you know, from the outside, looks real good. It dressed it up, hides the driveway, adds some privacy. No one can see in the backyard. Gates aren't gonna fall down or sag. Yeah, I've got a little bit of an alignment issue right there, but it's worked out great. Talk to you later.